Hey guys, Happy New Year! I hope you all had a really lovely time over Christmas and New Year's. I certainly did. I took some time off from work, I took the baby to Holland, had a really lovely 10 days there, and then took another week off here in the UK. And we celebrated Kiki's first birthday. I can't believe the baby's 1 already. It's going so fast. It's such a cliche, but so true. But yeah, that's all behind now and it's back to work. New year, new videos. But I want to start talking about a post I did on my website just before Christmas on hester'shandmadehome.com. I also post lifestyle material. And I posted about a video from Mano UK, because what they do is they focus on some really amazing crafters and makers and these beautiful videos. And the one I really loved is this video about Gavin, and Gavin grows furniture. It's absolutely amazing. It's got this really beautiful piece of land full of trees that are actually growing into the shapes of chairs and tables, which is absolutely amazing. So have a look at that video over on my website, hester'shandmadehome.com, and click on lifestyle. I'll post a link below here as well. But that video sort of got me thinking and sort of inspired me, and I thought I really want to try something like that myself. No way I'm green-fingered or patient enough to grow actual furniture, but I thought I could sort of maybe do something with trailing a plant. So what I've done is I got some metal wire and I drilled a jasmine plant into a letter shape. And of course I picked the H from Hester or Handmade or Home. 3 H's in my name there, you can choose one. But yeah, it's so easy to do and it's so lovely for summer when you have a plant on your deck or your terrace, actually a letter shape. So have a look at my video how easy it is to make a shaped letter from a plant. You're going to need some metal wire. You want your wire to be quite pliable, so don't use a too thick one. And you're just going to twist it together to make a letter shape. My jasmine plant was rather large, so I'm going to make a large H. And just twist pieces together until you have the letter you desire and also the right thickness. So here's my H ready. And here's my trailing jasmine plant. It was on a different round piece I drilled on, but I just took it out so it's ready to go on the H. And you carefully insert your letter shape. Make sure you don't pierce the roots of your plant. And then you simply twist and turn the plant around your letter. Do this very carefully, you don't want to break it. And unfortunately I focused on my beautiful kitchen wallpaper here instead of the plant, but you get the idea. You just keep twisting it, wrapping it around the letter until your plant is in your letter shape. So I'm just doing the finishing touches here and your plant shape is ready. Lovely, right? And so easy to make. Start the year with a super easy craft. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as usual, have a look on my website, hester'shandmadehome.com, for more craft ideas for your home. Also have a look at the back catalogue of videos here on the Handmade Home channel. Loads of DIY ideas for you to try at home. And I'll be back next week with a new video. Hope to see you then.